Hello student, in this video I am going to start a new chapter of class 8 math, that is chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is properties of quadrilateral. So first we will learn what is a quadrilateral. Okay, so a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon bounded by four line segment. Okay, basically a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon bounded by four line segment. Okay, so children, basically quadrilateral is nothing but it is a four-sided polygon, okay, bounded by the four line segment. So the figure we can make okay. This is a figure of quadrilateral. Okay, this is a four-sided polygon bounded by the four-side segment. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. So here AB, BC, and CD and DA is the side of the quadrilateral. Okay. So this is a polygon bounded by the four line segment. Okay. So the 4 point of quadrilateral, 4 point of quadrilateral is called vertex. So here A, B, and C, D are called the vertex of the quadrilateral. AB, BC, CD, and DA is called the sides. Okay, it's called sides. So AB, BC, CD, DA are the sides of a quadrilateral, and angle A, B, C, and D are the interior angle of quadrilateral. Okay, so angle is equal to angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay, angle B, C, and D are the angles of a quadrilateral, and here B, a line segment join from vertex B to D and A to C. So AC and PD is called diagonal. This is a diagonal. AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals of quadrilateral. Okay, AC and BD are the diagonal of quadrilateral. Here we have also a quadrilateral. We will also have a pair of adjacent side, okay, and adjacent angle, and also opposite side, opposite angle. So first start with adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. So quadrilateral have a pair of adjacent angle. Here angle A and angle B. Okay, angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Similarly, angle B to right pair. Angle A and angle B. Angle B and angle C. Angle C and angle D. And last angle D, angle A. Okay, these are adjacent angle of the quadrilateral. And similarly, we have adjacent side. Okay, so adjacent sides. So angle side AB is adjacent to side BC. Means side AB and BC are adjacent side. Same BC and CD also adjacent side. CD comma DA adjacent side. Okay, and here DA and AB also adjacent side. And similarly we have two opposite angle and opposite side. So a quadrilateral has two pair of opposite angle and opposite sides, and four pair of adjacent angle and adjacent side. So opposite angles is angle A opposite to angle C. Here angle A is opposite to angle C, and angle B is opposite to angle D. So these are two pairs of opposite angles. Similarly, we have two pairs of opposite sides. So opposite sides are AB, CD and AD, BC. AB, CD, AD, BD are opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Okay, so we have a quadrilateral have a pairs of adjacent angle, adjacent side, opposite angles and opposite side. Okay, now let us discuss convex and concave quadrilateral. Okay, convex and concave quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is said to be concave if its diagonal lies outside the quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral said to be concave if its diagonal lies outside it. Okay, so suppose this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, so we have to draw diagonal. So this is a diagonal BD, and the other diagonal from vertex A to C. So this is, after drawing lines diagonal from A to C, so this is lies outside it. Okay, so such type of quadrilateral are called concave quadrilateral. So this is example of concave. And in another word, we can also say in quadrilateral, if one angle is more than 180 degree, so we will also call such type of quadrilateral concave. So here we can see at vertex B, this is angle is more than 180 degree. So we can also say this is a concave quadrilateral. And convex quadrilateral is a quadrilateral said to be convex, okay, if its diagonal lies inside it. And in another word we can say each angle, okay, each angle of quadrilateral less than 180 degree. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Okay, so here angle of each angle of quadrilateral which is less than 180 degree, or we can say not more than 180 degree. So here all angle of this quadrilateral ABCD is not more than 180 degree. Okay, another word, the diagonal draw, if it is lies inside it, so we can also say convex. So these are two examples of convex and concave quadrilateral. Okay.